Okay, so what we have. Hi, dear Sagittarius. Very, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali. And this is a journal of reading for all the Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 15 to the 21st of December 2025. Rules can be reversed also. And if it is not resonating, this is not your story, honey. This is a journal reading. It might or might not resonate, okay? And for personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And want to be a reader like me, you can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. Let's start. The overall energy for the connection, overall, or you can call it mutual, whatever you feel like. Let's see. आके तेरी बाहों में हर शाम लगे सुनूं। So we have the Justice, the Chariot, and the Emperor. My God, these are three major arcana cards, and the bottom of the deck is the King of Pentacles. Let's talk about these things, these cards first. Okay, you guys are you guys are sorry, I'm not able to say that thing. You guys are trying your best to bring the justice, bring the balance in the situation. You guys are trying trying your best to do the best possible things in the situation. Either it is making the decision or making the choice of letting it go completely or making it come back. But you guys are from both the sides. You guys are looking forward to have justice and balance in the situation, or justice and balance back in the situation. And definitely there's a choice or a decision that you guys have to make, and you guys have to stick to that decision now. The time has come that you cannot change your decisions, you cannot change your choices again and again and again. This time you guys have to stick around the choice or decision that you are going to make in this direction. It seems like a difficult task to do, but you guys are trying your best to do whatever you guys can do in order to maintain the peace, in order to maintain the balance and the justice in the situation. You guys are very, very determined that this time you guys are going to do it. There's a lot of determination. There's a lot of, no matter how many obstacles or challenges or whatnot I have to face in this direction, I'm going to make something happen. For some of you, for most of you, it's like this energy of letting something or someone go out of your life, out of your system. But for others of you, it can be the energy of making something work out. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the King of Pentacles. At any cost, you guys want the stability back in your life, the practical, the grounded, the stable energy back in your life, because somehow your energies are unstable. They are going up and down, back and forth. Things are not moving forward the way you want them to move. That's why you are kind of doing your best from your side to maintain things, to make things go in a certain way. And no matter what you have to do for that, you are planning to go ahead in that direction. Okay, the mutual energy was here to bring the justice or bring the balance back in the situation. There's a lot of determination to bring the justice and bring the justice and the balance back in the situation. I don't know why I'm so overwhelmed today. Yes, cool. So the mutual energy here is of bringing the justice and balance back in the situation. Okay, and the lesson for this week is that you guys have to come on the same page. You guys have to make the right choice, make the right decision, or right or wrong is just a judgmental thing. You guys have to make a choice and stick to that choice. That's the lesson here. You might be making the choices and the decision and changing them again and again. That's why all of this mess is happening, right, honey? Cool. Let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now, Sagis. We have the King of Cups. This person is feeling like emotionally very mature, emotionally very grounded. They feel like taking things forward in a very, very grounded and mature way, emotionally mature way. Let me clarify this before jumping into conclusion. What's wrong? I'm not able to connect today. Okay, this happened long time ago with me, that I was not able to connect with my own cards. Okay, sometimes it happens. It's okay. Let's clarify the King of Cups, honey. So we have the Six of Wands, the High Priestess, and the Seven of Cups. Yep. So this person is feeling like whatever is going to happen in the situation, they are going to be cool and calm about it. Okay. Whether you guys are going to work together on the situation to make it work out, or you guys are going to take a break from each other for the time being, because right now things are all over the place. Things are emotionally overwhelming. That is why this person feels like they should keep their calm, and whatever is supposed to happen will happen, but they are going to be in a very mature and grounded kind of energy. Okay, this is what they feel like, handling the situation with a lot of maturity, emotional maturity, and letting things unfold the way it should, without any kind of emotionally overwhelming kind of energies around the situation, because it's already all over the place. Yeah, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation? My god, Sagittarius. Why the hell are you guys not letting me do the like reading today? Are you guys not happy with me or what? Should I stop it here? I can't, you know. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Sagittarius? The Wheel of Fortune. From your side, you feel like let the divine decide, let the destiny decide. Whatever is supposed to happen will happen eventually. Okay, there is this sense of, okay, the table is going to turn at some point of time. Let's clarify the Wheel of Fortune. We have the King of Cups, the Strength card, the Devil. This is definitely something very, very, very important for you guys, Sagittarius. All the major arcana cards are coming today. Like in the mutual energy, also there were three major arcana card out of four. So you feel like both of you are feeling like handling this situation with a lot of maturity, with a lot of love and compassion, and you feel like holding back this urge or desire to do something unhealthy in this situation, in this direction, to do something that you should not be doing in this direction. So you definitely feel like holding your horses back, and letting things be for the time being, and whatever is supposed to happen will eventually happen and unfold. This is what you feel. From time to time you get this urge or desire to do something about it, but at the same time you feel like this is not required, or this is not a healthy thing to do. Maybe you feel like pushing things forward or trying to fix things uh, when the other person is not ready. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Eight of Swords. Their intention here definitely is to come out of this mental jail, come out of their head, come out of their overthinking. Okay, let's clarify the Eight of Swords here. Maybe this person wants to clear the air with you in something. In maybe you guys had some kind of miscommunication with each other, or something happened and this person can't stop thinking negative about it. Let's see. Let's clarify the Eight of Swords here. We have the Four of Cups, Eight of Swords, and the Three of Wands. Yeah. So this person wants to get out of this confusion. They want to get out of their head. They want to let go of the overthinking. They want to get out of their mental jail, mental trap. They are creating stories and scenarios in their head that are not at all true, and they're never going to get true. So they want to come out of this overthinking, this mental jail, this confusion, this disappointment, and they want to look forward to have some kind of positive news, some kind of good news in this dynamics between you and them. Okay, something right now is not working out, and they can't stop thinking negative about it. So they just want to move forward, keep on moving forward in their life, and they're hoping for some kind of positive news, good news in the coming future regarding this situation. This is what they want. Hmm? Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, your intentions? Lovers. You just want to make the right choice, make the right decision here, not based on infatuation or attraction, or just on your impulses. Let's clarify the Lovers. and or you want somebody to choose you as a priority. Maybe they're not able to do that. There is something very complicated here that maybe I'm not able to pick up, but it seems like a very tense and complicated kind of a situation. But both of you are trying your best to stay calm and composed and full of love and respect. But is it working like that? You just, yeah, definitely you just want, either you want to make a right choice or right decision between you, between this person or somebody else, because you might not be getting the long term partnership, the marriage, the commitment kind of a deal that you wanted from this person, and you want to get out of your fears and you want to head towards that person, that situation, that connection that is going to give you the happily ever after kind of a deal that you looking forward to have. Okay, and or you want this person to make the choice, make the decision whether they want to be with you for the long term or they want to let the situation go. Okay, but you definitely want either yourself or somebody else to come out of their fears and make the choice, make the decision, and stick to that choice or decision of theirs or yours. Okay, it's a choice between you or something else or someone else, from their side also or from your side also. Take it how it resonates with you, but you definitely want this thing to go in a particular direction. And if it is not possible to go in that direction of commitment, marriage, long term partnership, you want to drop it, even if it is going to be the most difficult thing to do, right? Cool. Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys, Sajis, till the 21st of December, honey. Two of Pentacles. Okay, things are going to be up in the air for some time, for some more time. Let's clarify the Two of Pentacles here. We have the World card, the Ten of Swords, and the Emperor. Okay, this is going to be the end of the confusion. So, okay. So, things are going to get a little bit out of hands for some time, for 2-3 days or so, and then one of you is going to decide to end this chapter for good. Ending this chapter means, could mean two things here. Some of you guys are going to decide to take this situation forward. You guys are going to decide to get married, get settled, get committed to this particular person or situation and moving ahead in that direction, and or the complete opposite of that. Whatever this decision or choice is going to be, you guys are going to make sure that this time this is the final choice or the final decision that you are going to make in this direction. And it's going to be mostly from your side, Sagittarius. You guys are going to decide something here in this direction, and this decision, this choice of yours, you're going to make sure that this is the final choice or final decision that you're making in this direction, because this is taking a lot of out of you, this is draining you, this whole on and off, in and out, up in the air kind of a deal, confusion kind of energy is draining you. So you are going to make sure that this is going to end this draining energy, and you guys are going to move forward with the choice or decisions that you guys are going to make in this direction. Cool. Let's see the guidance for you guys here, Sagittarius. We have the Six of Cups, the Ace of Swords, the King of Pentacles. This might be a situation that you are dealing with from quite a long time now. Maybe for some of you it's been 6 years that you guys are together. But even if it is not, you guys have a history together. And things were working out really very beautifully in the past. And now you guys have to be you guys have to be practical about the situation. You guys have to think about the situation from logical point of view as well, not only from the emotional point of view. And you guys have to understand whether this situation is going to bring you the long term results that you're looking forward to have, or this is going to just give you the pain or the draining energies, or this situation is meant for you guys till this point only, and now this is time for you to say goodbye. Only you guys can decide whatever is good for you and whatever is not. Okay, whosoever is good for you or whosoever is not. No tarot reader, no astrologer, nobody can tell you what you should do. You have a free will, and you know better than any one of us, because this is your personal life. This is your life, right? So you have to choose. Just because you guys had a beautiful past together, it doesn't mean that you guys are going to have a beautiful future also together. Right now, things are messed up, and there is a very, very solid reason, because there are lots of major arcana card in this reading, right? So you guys need to understand the reason. If you want to make the carry this situation forward like this only, then this is going to keep on going in circles. At some point of time, you guys have to make the final choice and final decision. Whenever that time comes, make sure that you are going to balance your practical and emotional side, see all the pros and cons of this situation, like the long term thing. If you are not able to see the long term thing, then you guys have to decide accordingly. Okay, but definitely guys have to decide at some point of time. Just because it was good in the past, it doesn't mean it's going to be good in the future as well. To keep that in mind. That's the solid guidance for you guys. So let me answer one of your questions related to your love and relationship area. This portion also might or might not resonate with you. Please keep that in mind. And I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds to answer the question. If that's not enough, you can pause the video and unpause whenever you feel like. Okay, so let's start, honey. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And I'm going to give you the answer in the next 10 to 15 seconds, and your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is not the right time. Let me read from the guidebook. If you feel like watching this explanation, good. Otherwise, you can leave. Sometimes a path or choice might be the right one for you, but the timing is currently off. Instead of giving up on your dream, realize that maybe it needs to be put on hold, or you need to keep working at it a little longer until the stars are aligned. If you feel like taking your time in making your choice or decision, you guys can, but don't make any kind of life changing decision in rush or hurry or just out of impulses. Okay, whatever it is. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Sagittarius. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.